Please subscribe for more videos.
Here comes the big yellow school bus.
Let's count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job.
Red, blue, purple, green, orange, pink, yellow, brown.
This is a red stop sign. It means the cars must stop to let the bus go. Do we know what shape the stop sign is? It's an octagon because it has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, A, A. B, 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 B. C, C, K, K, C. D, 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 D. E, E, E. F, F, F. G, 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 G. H, H, H. I, I, I. J, 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 J. K, 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 K. L, 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 L. M, 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 M. N, 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 N. O, 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 O. P, 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 P. Q, 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 Q. R, R, R. S, 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 S. T, 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 T. U, U, U. V, 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 V. W, 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 W. X, 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 X. Y, 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 Y. Z, 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 Z. Let's close the lid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. I can help you count to 10. We can jump together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Thank you, Peppa. That's okay, George. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head, and he said, Miss Polly, put him straight to bed. He wrote on the paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Our school bus has 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels on the bus. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have some letters and some shapes. A, B, C. What fruit is this one? It's an apple. Apple. Now we have some shapes. This one has 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's a square. This one is completely round. It's a circle. Please subscribe for more videos.